my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama MD, and on today's video we are going to be unboxing the March 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. Now this is a subscription box that does retail for, I think after taxes, like $25, $26 depending on where you live. But I will tell you guys, I'm pretty excited about unboxing this. I've not peeked. It's still sealed. The box is a little busted, but I don't know what's in it. If you guys are new to my channel, I do not watch anybody else's unboxings until after I have done mine. I am a little behind. I've got my FabFitFun box sitting here. I've got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus sitting here. And actually, it's, what day is this? I think it's like the 20th? Hold up. It's the 19th. I was close. It's the 19th of March, and I still haven't gotten my regular Ipsy bag or my Sephora Play bag, which those videos you guys know I do with my daughter Haley, which by the way has a YouTube channel. Check my description box below for hers. So I received the Ipsy and the FabFitFun last week, and I haven't had a chance to sit down and film because busy working mom life. But anyways, if you're interested or excited to see what is in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, let's go ahead and just get right into it. Okay guys, so like I said, my regular Ipsy bag that's $10 a month, not even here. Neither is my Sephora Play. Now a little bit more about this one. Like I said, this is a monthly subscription service with Ipsy. You have the option when you sign up that you can just receive only the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, or you can receive the $10 a month Ipsy bag, which is more of like sample size things, or you can be completely ridiculous and extra, such as myself, and you can get both. And you would kind of think if you get both, you would kind of get both at the same time. That's not the case. By the way, if you hear puppy dogs barking, it's puppy dogs barking. So, my Pookie, you want to come here? Come on. So, my parents and I share my puppies, but they are like diva dogs, so they stay at my parents most of the time. Come here, baby. No? Come on. They're stage fright. I don't know what their deal is. Anyways, they are Pekingese and Poodle mixtures. They're supposed to be like really good if you have allergies. So I'm not allergic to my dogs. So, because they don't like dander up a whole lot. So if you hear snipping, snapping, barking, blah, 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 not snipping or snapping, but if you hear barking, that's my dogs. Okay. Wow, Rhonda. Okay, so here we go, opening right into it. It's the same beautiful pink box. I love it so much. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. What is all of this? Okay, it says, hey Ipster, your March Glam Bag Plus is here to help you put your best face forward. I'm not going to like peek and see everything in here, but it does tell me what's in here as well as the price of everything. By the way, disclaimer, sorry if I'm out of focus. My camera's like 250 years old, so hold on. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the first thing that I see is by Purlisse. This says Candy Johnson times Purlisse Buttermeat Orange Creamsicle Butter. Smooths, hydrates, nourishes. Oh, it's got a seal on it. I'm going to break the seal because that just smells like it's going to be amazing. Let's see here. Ooh, it's like a nice soft kind of citrus orange. I like this. It's not too thin, but it's not too thick. This is what I wanted the kale polish lotion to be like. I like this one. It's thin, but it's not too thin. Okay. It smells nice. Okay. So the next item I see is by Pixie Petra. Is it Pixie by Petra? Yeah. What is this? Oh, it's a double brush mascara. Okay. You know what? I don't really know that much about Pixie. I mean, I know it's out there. I know it's at Target, but it's like one of the pricier types of drugstores. Holy guacamole. I didn't know we were getting these. This is the Huda Smoky Obsessions palette. That is awesome because actually this shade is one of my favorites from them. I talk about it all the time, the C Color Cosmetics one. Let me just show you guys a side by side. And I don't think I've done Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money with the Huda Obsession palette up against the C Color one. But I can definitely do that if you guys want to see that. Leave a comment down below and let me know. But see, here they are side by side. So this one is the C-Color Cosmetics. As you guys can see, oh wait, I'm sorry. This one is the C-Color Cosmetics. You guys can see I love it. I love it a lot. So if you guys want to see, is it a dupe or just a waste of money, let me know. I would definitely put those up against each other. But this Obsession palette, this was one of my favorite ones. The smoky one, definitely really like that. That's like a $27 in itself. Like, that's awesome. Wow, I'm impressed. Wow, okay. So the next item is the Farrah brushes. So you get a nice little set. It looks like there's 5 in here. So that is really cool. And the last item I see in here is Real Her I'm Adaptable Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's red. We were doing so well. I know, guys. I know. I just need to get over, whoa. I really just need to get over my fear of colored lipsticks, but this is like an orangey red, which means I feel like my teeth are going to look yellow. Okay, so that was everything in this month's box. And can I tell you guys that I think between this and the Boxycharm Boxy Luxe, this one won and this one was like half the price. So let me go ahead and add everything up for you guys so you know how much everything costs. Okay guys, so like I said, this box cost me $25 plus tax, so like $26 and change. This is a monthly subscription that you will receive, and I have to tell you guys, like I said, I thought this was a really good box. For $26, everything in the box came to $133 and change. The only thing that I'm a little like over is the lipstick. That's only because of my fear of colors. And I have to say though, overall, this box was amazing. If you guys didn't see my Boxy Luxe unboxing, definitely make sure to check that out. I was so severely overwhelmed at the fact that for a $50-some box, I thought it should have been pretty amazing. And you guys asked if I would put the Boxy Luxe up against the FabFitFun, which costs the exact same amount. I'm definitely going to do that for you guys. So definitely be watching for that video to come popping up here soon. But my overall thoughts on this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I'm very pleased with it. I'm actually, I think too, because I was so bummed out over the Boxy Luxe that I was like, this was good. And I have to say, this still smells nice on my hands, and the brushes look very nice. Like, everything looks really, really good in here. And I have to say, and I've been saying it, I feel like a lot here lately, but I feel like the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is really giving Boxycharm a run for their money. I mean, now, if you had asked me probably 6 months ago, 4 months ago, what was my favorite subscription service, I always told you guys FabFitFun and Boxycharm. At this point, I'm gonna have to tell you guys, like, I don't know how my FabFitFun box is for this quarter, but FabFitFun and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, they're up there. Boxycharm has definitely been knocked down on the ladder. So anyways, let me go ahead and give you guys a notification shout out. If you want to be a part of my notification squad, it's really easy. Just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click that notification bell 2 times and then leave me a comment down below. Hashtag notification squad, hashtag Team Hotmess for a chance at a shout out in a future video. Today I'm actually just going to go ahead and pull from my community tab, and this is my caffeine with Dolly Parton. I love her. Okay, so anyways, today's notification shout outs go to Deborah Middleton, Kelly Burridge, Christy Bates, Laura Woody, Felicia Rank, Manic Makeup Mama, is it Savetti Ross, Diana Lee, and Cami Routtree. Thank you guys so much for leaving me a comment in our little community post. I try and post daily on the community board, so definitely make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can interact with me over there in the community section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I do have a second YouTube channel as well, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. That'll be linked down below for you guys as well, and you guys can go over there and subscribe if you're interested. Talk a lot about just random things, keto related things, a little bit of cooking. It's just everything I don't do here because this is makeup and beauty. I'll stick it over there. Okay, I'm rambling. Don't forget to check HAILEY'S channel out as well. And if you want to watch some more of my videos, I'll have some pop up. I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could share my link to my channel or share the link to this video. And I will have an Ipsy referral link. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with Ipsy, but I will have that in my description box as well if you are interested in signing up with Ipsy. I don't think I get anything for it. I'm not for sure. Maybe we do get rewards for it, but I'm not for sure. And until next time, my friends, I think that's it. I think that's all I have to say. I gotta move on to my next video. I'm trying to be really productive and I'm just rambling. Here I go. Okay guys, until next time, as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.